All right, so we are going to be taking a typing test today, and you'll take a typing test every week. Taking the typing test doesn't require having a video, but where we're going to keep our times does. So we're just going to do all of it together. Typingtest.com. When it comes up, you leave it at 1 minute. You can click here, you can click easy text to start out with, or you can go down here to where it says themed is probably the best one. You can click any of them, but this is where you can type about different things. Once you choose whatever it is you want to do, you click on Start Test and it will come up. You can see your time up here. And know that it has to have capitalization and punctuation for it to count. Once you start typing, it will start the time, and then it will stop when the time's over. When it is over, you are going to get something like this that says your best words per minute. That is the number that you are looking for. You need to remember that number. Okay, so once you're done with your test and you have a number, you're going to go over to Schoology and go to your courses, and you're going to open up My Course, and then over here in the left-hand window, if you go almost to the bottom, there's something called OneNote Class Notebook. If you click on it, the first time you do this, you're probably going to have to sign in, which you'll need to know your student ID, student email address, but everybody's is a little different that I've seen do this, and we're going to go with that. And then once it opens for you, it's not going to open like that. It's going to open something along the lines of this, so that you should have a welcome, a password, and a typing test times. You need to click on typing test times. We're going to call it typing test times. We're going to click somewhere in this white area, and we're going to go to insert a table, and we want it to be 2. We'll just do 2 by 8, I guess, since that's what they're doing. In the top one, we're going to put date. And then if you click or if you hit tab, you can go into the second one, and we're going to put time. And then you will put today's date. And your best time. Once you are done, you should be able to just close this. You do not need to save it. It automatically saves. It is one of the programs that is within Microsoft. And it is basically just like you used to carry binders with all the different sections. This is the virtual version of that. We are going to keep our passwords in here, and then we will be putting other things in throughout the year. So remember, to get to it, you're going to go on the left-hand side here to OneNote Class Notebook. If you have any questions, let me know.